To illustrate the importance of eating a variety of fruits and vegetables, health professionals often advise you to eat the rainbow. You probably know that you should eat colorful fruits and vegetables, but you may wonder why it's so important and if doing so truly benefits your health. In this video we are going to tell you benefits of eating the rainbow and much more. Benefits of eating the rainbow. In simple words, eating the rainbow means eating fruits and vegetables of different colors every day. Plants contain different pigments, or phytonutrients, which give them their color. Different colored plants are linked to higher levels of specific nutrients and health benefits. To eat the rainbow, be sure to eat a variety of different colored fruits and vegetables throughout your day. Most colorful fruits and veggies have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects that may benefit different aspects of your health. The colors in your rainbow plate. Each color represents a different phytochemical and set of nutrients that may benefit your health. Red. Fruits and veggies. Tomatoes, watermelon, pink guava, grapefruit. They contain lycopene, from the vitamin A family, folate, potassium, vitamin A, lycopene, vitamin C and vitamin K1. Health benefits of red fruits and veggies. They may reduce sun-related skin damage and may lower your risk of certain cancers. Orange and yellow. Fruits and veggies including carrots, sweet potatoes, yellow peppers, bananas, pineapple, tangerines, pumpkin, winter squash and corn. They contain carotenoids, for example, beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, beta-cryptoxanthin, which belong to the vitamin A family, fiber, folate. Potassium, vitamin A, beta-carotene, and vitamin C. They supports eye health and may lower your risk of cancer. Green. Fruits and veggies. Spinach, kale, broccoli, avocados, asparagus, green cabbage, Brussels sprouts and green herbs are included in green foods. They contain fiber, folate, magnesium, potassium, vitamin A, beta-carotene, and vitamin K1. But leafy greens contain chlorophyll and carotenoids while cruciferous greens, e.g., broccoli, cabbage, contain indoles, isothiocyanates, glucosinolates. Cruciferous veggies, in particular, may lower your risk of cancer and heart diseases. Blue and purple. Fruits and veggies include blueberries, blackberries, Concord grapes, red, purple cabbage, eggplant, plums and elderberries. They contain anthocyanins along with fiber, manganese, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C and vitamin K1. They play an important role in lowering the risk of neurological disorders, improve brain function, lower your risk of type 2 diabetes and lower your risk of certain cancers. Dark red. Fruits and veggies including beets, prickly pears. They contain betalains along with fiber, folate, magnesium, manganese, potassium and vitamin B6. They play a significant role in lowering the risk of high blood pressure, certain cancers and may support athletic performance through increased oxygen uptake. White and brown. Fruits and veggies include cauliflower, garlic, leeks, onions, mushrooms, daikon radish, parsnips and white potatoes. They contain anthocyanins, flavonols, flavonoids, allicin as well as fiber, folate, magnesium, manganese, potassium, vitamin B6 and vitamin K1. They help in lowering the risk of colon and other cancers. Each color represents a different phytochemical and set of nutrients that may benefit your health. 3 common benefits of all colors in your plate. All colors help in improving heart health, along with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties in common. How to do it? Try to eat 2 to 3 different colored fruits or vegetables at every meal, as well as 1 to 2 at every snack. Remembering to eat the rainbow every day is a great and simple way to make sure you're getting a variety of nutrients into your diet. I hope that you will like this video. If you did, hit the like button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.